Hey friends, good evening everyone. How are you all doing? This is Sachin Nachnani welcoming you back to my YouTube channel. Do check out my videos if you wish to know what my analysis and trade strategy is for Nifty and Bank Nifty options in a very simple and easy to understand manner. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Before we get started with the option chain analysis for Monday, let me revisit my yesterday's view. I cautioned you yesterday about the likelihood of a small fall of around say 1 to 2%, which can happen anytime. However, knowing very well that the trend is still strong on the upside, the strategy mentioned was to sell specific options, the premium for which came down despite the fall today. Do check out the videos on the link above if you wish to know more. Now let's do the option chain analysis for Monday's session, that will be 27th of July. Nifty today went down by 21 points to close at 11,194 level, just below the 11,200 mark, while Nifty futures closed at a discount of 24 points. Yesterday, the discount was only 8 points. Just like so many days, Nifty continues to be puts heavy, though the quantum of open interest on the call side has increased by roughly 50 lakhs, while on the put side it has increased by around 33 lakhs. Highest open interest on the put side continues to be at the 11,000 level. Yesterday, in fact, it was at the 10,000 strike, and I told you the reason for it. And today, that has the second highest open interest. In the near term, 11,000 will continue to act as a strong support level, at least for the next few days. And my strategy has been taking this factor into account. The highest open interest addition today has taken place at 11,100 strike, followed by 11,000 strike. On the call side, 11,500 is where the highest open interest is continuing to be at, while the next highest open interest and the highest open interest addition has happened today at 11,200, which is at the money call option. This is indeed very aggressive call writing. When you look at the charts today, there isn't much action that you can actually see. But intraday, Nifty had gone below the 11,100 mark level, and later in second half went above 11,200 also. Let me show you the intraday chart on 30 minutes time frame so that you can understand the moves today. It opened gap down and went below the 11,100 level, then consolidated for some time, and from 130 onwards made a strong move to go towards the day's high, crossing 11,200 mark briefly but closing just below it. No prizes for guessing that today also it was Reliance which pulled up the market single-handedly, though the IT sector also played a supporting role along with Reliance in pulling up the Nifty. In fact, today Reliance contributed a positive 69 points to Nifty. Now, had it not been for Reliance, Nifty today would have closed down by at least 90 points. I had cautioned yesterday that a fall of 1 to 2% can happen anytime, and today intraday Nifty did fall by 1%. In fact, the fall in Bank Nifty was much more, but we will discuss it once we talk about Bank Nifty. Moreover, despite repeated attempts, Nifty is reversing from the 11,200 odd level. And that is the reason why call writers may have taken an aggressive stance in writing the 11,200 call option. But in my view, the 11,200 level will also be taken out, and we may head towards 11,400 or even 11,500 mark after some days. But as far as my trading is concerned, I believe in taking it one day at a time, and we will consider the market moves and change our strategy accordingly. Yesterday, my view was to sell 10,900 put option, and only aggressive traders should have sold the 11,000 put and the 11,500 call option. Despite so much of volatility today and a negative close, the premiums for all these options have actually come down, and this is what an option writer wants. But before I discuss my strategy for Monday, it is important to keep an eye on the results that will impact markets on Monday. Firstly, ITC results have been declared some time back, and I'll check them in detail. Secondly, tomorrow ICICI Bank results will be declared. Of course, since the trade will be entered only on Monday morning, by that time analysis would have been already done of both the results, and everyone will have complete clarity. But at this point of time on Friday evening, I don't know about both the results. So I will be conservative as always. And at this point of time, we'll again look to sell only the 10,900 put option. If you're holding it already, then that's fine. If not, then do consider the market reaction to both the results on Monday morning before taking the trade. On the call side, I have already sold the 11,500 call option, and on Monday we'll take a view whether or not to sell call options of 11,400 or just to continue holding the 11,500 calls. Safe players, like I have been saying, should avoid selling call options since you will be fighting the trend which is strongly on the upside. I personally actively manage all my positions during the day, so I sell both put and call options depending on market movements. Let's move to Bank Nifty, which closed at 22,662, down by 422 points. That's 1.83%, and it has underperformed so badly today. Bank Nifty futures are at 22,611. That is a discount of 51 points. And yesterday they were actually at a premium of 11 points. Now Bank Nifty has turned calls heavy today from being marginally puts heavy yesterday. On the put side, 22,000 has the highest open interest outstanding and also the highest addition to open interest. The next highest open interest position is at 21,500 strike. On the call side, the highest open interest is at 23,000 strike, which has also witnessed the highest amount of open interest addition. The next highest open interest addition is at 23,500, while the next highest open interest position outstanding is at 24,000 call. Well, I don't like repeating things, but when you look at the charts of Bank Nifty, I end up talking about the 22,500 level, and even today, despite breaking it intraday briefly, Bank Nifty moved above the 22,500 level and closed at least 160 points higher than that. Bank Nifty continues to face resistance at 23,000 level, and whether it breaks that level and goes higher on Monday or breaks the 22,500 support level again will be known only post ICICI Bank results, and that we will find out tomorrow. Incidentally, ICICI Bank fell by 2.7% today, but managed to close just above the 380 breakout level ahead of its results. Now coming to strategy for Bank Nifty, I'll take a trade on Bank Nifty options on Monday only after looking at the results of ICICI Bank tomorrow. In the results, besides the operational parameters and asset quality or NPAs, I will be closely looking at the moratorium numbers. That will play a key role in my trading call for Bank Nifty. But just to give you a hint, if the numbers are better than expectations, then I will look to sell 22,000 and 22,500 put options for sure. And depending on Bank Nifty levels at that point of time, I may also look to buy the call options, which may be at the money at that point of time on Monday. Just in case, on the other hand, if the results are below expectations, then I will look to sell the 23,000 call option. Besides the highest open interest, it is also a resistance level for Bank Nifty. So that will be an obvious choice to trade on the call side. But please, before trading, do your own analysis and always hedge your positions. That's it from my side for today. Have a good weekend, enjoy the rains, and stay home, stay safe, gain knowledge. Thank you and happy weekend.
Do like and share this video, subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon. You can reach out to me on Twitter, Insta, LinkedIn and of course YouTube.